Hello, this is Greg Allison, Green Greg's, coming to you on almost sunset on the last day of the year of 2020. I just went and got my trailer that I plan to grow microgreens in aplenty. And Betsy Blue, my trusty truck, pulled it. And we just pulled it from Ardmore, Tennessee. Y'all know my bus. There's my cargo trailer. And this is my enclosed microgreens trailer. And what I got is I put that AC unit on the roof. Greg, why do you need an AC unit? Well, the purpose of this will be to cool the inside when the dehumidifier is running. In the summertime, you can't grow, you got so much humidity here, the air has to be dehumidified year-round actually to keep the mold and mildew down for growing microgreens. But that dehumidifier is a heater. It wouldn't make that trailer too hot. Microgreens actually like cold weather, or cool weather. They're not a hot weather plants typically, especially your radishes and things like that, any lettuces. Even the peas. The peas like cool weather. And pea shoots, I love pea shoots, sun shoots, but they need it a little bit on the cooler side, but I have to dehumidify too. So to be able to run both, I needed an AC unit on top, and I'll just throw a heater inside. And I've got a little place on the other side to pull through to run the cords. Had them put that in. This is a good sized trailer. I should be able to grow 80 flats a week in here. All right, pop loose. This is my, I'm gonna run my cords through, and I'll just run it back to the house, and shut that down good. There's my house. I just run the cords back to here, and so the cool thing about this is I've got all this right here at my steps, so I can just go in and out of the steps. The other houses I need to, if I need to clean, wash, or get supplies. And I'm thinking of growing microgreens on the back porch eventually. You can see the AC unit on top. They had to redo the roof where the vent fan used to be there. It had gotten a leak apparently. I couldn't tell it when I got it. But the roof was not structurally sound enough to hold that. But it is now. Look at my old dogwood tree here. Maple trees. Big magnolia. Yeah, there's my cargo trailer. That's a heavy duty trailer. I've hauled some heavy loads in that trailer. Really heavy loads. You see where I was kind of spinning around in the mud here, getting this thing in and out. Getting it parked in just exactly like I wanted it. Between this tree and that tree and right up to the back there. So we got her in. And the cool thing is, I can clean out inside and do a little work inside. Set up my racks and my trays. I'll use LED lights and that because I don't want the fluorescent tubes that might fall out. Unless being jostled around. So I could deliver stuff straight to that, but the farmer's market I plan to sell it, tell me that trailer's too long for me to park there. So I'll probably still be running stuff in and out with my van, or I might get a smaller trailer for dealing with stuff like that. And just use that as a grow trailer. Well, see, the thing I like about that trailer is a small enclosed space. I can control the environment very easily in there. And all things working out, I should be able to grow microgreens. I paid $3,500 for that trailer. I paid $2,002 and some 18 cents, I think, to get that unit put in the top, get a hole put in the side to pull the cords through, and to have the roof redone. That's not a bad deal, but I got $5,500 in that trailer. I mean to grow some microgreens here this summer, this spring and summer and fall, and they are on year-round. That's the plan. Hopefully we can get that going, and that can be a little profit center for me. And if somebody wants to share crop with me, they can have half of the profit out of that. And they do all the growing and selling. But I've already got to set up for the farmer's market. So basically, I think a flat retails for about $30. About $2 worth of materials goes in it. There is some labor. So 80 flats. Hey, let's say if you made $20 a flat. Well, some of them you might wholesale to. Or you might have sold to stores, and some of them we might sell to restaurants, and you don't get near as much for that. And so that probably coming in at $20 and would be shy of $20. But if we can average $20 a flat, 80 flats a week, we can make some money of that thing. So that's the hope. $1,600 a week, total. So half of that, it'd be $800 for somebody a week, $800 for me. That's how it works. So if somebody else can get involved in this with me, and I can grow 80 trays a week in that, and if that makes my business grow and we're making profit, I'll work in my back porch, and I should on my back porch be able to grow 180. That'd be 260 flats a week. That could be a heck of a nice little business. That would be a really good career somebody wants to share crop for me. Anyway, I'm in process. I'm getting it done. I'm getting it set up. And so people always say, Greg, you're always doom and gloom. Well, look, I am investing in the hopes that we can keep our power grid up, in hopes that we can keep things running, in hopes that everything will fall apart. But holy smoke, guys, sometimes those hopes run really tall. They run really long. Right now, I'd say, hey, for microgreens, you need to buy your seeds. True Leaf Market's a blessed place to go. I got links to True Leaf Market below. They got great sources for microgreen seeds and all the supplies. They tell you how to grow them. You watch my videos on how to grow them. I'll be doing more of those. And as I fix that van up, I'll do videos on that, that trailer. As I fix this bus up, I'll do videos on that. If you're not subscribed to my channel, bang the up, subscribe, bang the up notification bell, and click all. Because I should have a lot of content coming with the bus and the trailer and the microgreens, the garden, the greenhouse. In the place I'll go out in Arizona, providing the world don't go to heck in a handbasket here in the next few days, which it might. So I've got a video coming up. I don't know. I don't know which one I'm gonna post first, this one or that one, but I'll have a video coming up pretty soon talking about things that might happen on the 6th of January. 6th of January. So watch out for the 6th of January, guys. It could hit the fan then, or in the ensuing weeks. I hope it don't really hit the fan then, but it could. And there's sources that tell me that no matter what the outcome is, it's probably going to hit the fan on the 6th. Yeah, I hope they're wrong. Anywho, yeah, I've invested a lot in the hopes that I can grow and do things. We'll see how all that works out. Maybe I should have just been buying more storable food and beans and heavy metal propellers. Freedom seeds, as some people call them. You know what I'm talking about? Maybe I got plenty of that though. So, in any event, my friends, I wish everybody a Happy New Year. It may already be New Year by the time I post this video because I'm having some computer issues, and I've got one uploading right now, another video. So it'll probably be a day or two before I get this one up, maybe in early next week. But microgreens are definitely going to be an ongoing proposition here. It can be a real profit center. True Leaf Market right now, look guys, seeds are allowed to be a real shortage on them. I'm already hearing people say they're having trouble getting seeds. Most people are getting seeds in February. You better get ahead of the curve this time, because a lot more people will be gardening and buying seeds for prepping, which you ought to do. Even if you don't plan to grow right now, get the seeds so you can have them down the road. See my video on the prepper garden. Well, you might not want to grow food in it the first year, but that means you got to have seeds for the second year. It wouldn't hurt to grow a little bit just to get practice with it, my friends. Gardening, there's a lot of skills involved in it. So all that I'm going to say, thank you for watching. Yeah, use my link. Use my links below to True Leaf Market. That'll help me and help you too. So True Leaf Markets have the links in my show notes and in the pin notes that I put in the comment section of my video, so it means it'll be at the top. Just open that note, click the more, expand it down, you'll see the link there. People ask me all the time, Greg, where's the link? Is that really? I explained it so much. Anyway, that's how you find it. Hope everybody does well. Hope everybody has a very happy New Year, and thank you for watching. Bye.